This is my fluffy. This is my fluffy. I love my fluffy. Can I pet you? Oh, why are you scared, hon? You usually love to be petted. What's going on, sweetheart? I don't want you to nibble on my ears. Who's there? That's you, babies. That's a pretty bird. Look at that pretty bird. You kiss me on the cheek. Look at how beautiful you are. Can I pet you, honey? Yeah. See, it's all right. There we go. Yeah, does that feel very good? Yeah. Boop, boop. You boop me back? Boop, 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 boop. What? You silly bite. Boop, boop. Can I boop you? Boop. Can you boop me? Okay. Good job. Very nice. What? Boop. I'm gonna pet ya. I'm gonna pet ya. Where you going? What you going up there for? You wanna play with my hair back here?
You sure?
Yeah, feels good. Come here, hon. That's my hat. Don't chew on that. You blow them a kiss. Very sweet. Good job.
Yeah.
Did you boop my face? Yeah. Who's that? Do you see that bird? That is just a gorgeous bird. Look at that birdie. Don't eat that. You are my sunshine. Oh, it's okay. Sorry about that. Did I startle you, hon? Can I pet you a little bit? No? No pets right now, huh? Okay. Okay. When I had my face against her, it was gentle at first, but then I like pushed her wing up. She didn't like that. I'm sorry, honey. It's okay. Yes, just a little bit. She said, hey, that's my personal space bubble you're getting into now, man. Yeah. You're my sweetheart. Look at you. You kiss my nose. It's a good girl. Or boy, I don't even know. Can you tell me what gender you are, please? Whisper. Whisper is not a gender, but that's very nice of you to try to make conversation. Yes. Are you gonna boop my fingers? You wanna boop? Boop. How was your day, cutie pie? Did you have a good day? Yeah? Did I work from home all day? Yeah, you got to see me so much. You're in a good mood. Lots of kisses from my cheek. It's my baby. Are you my baby bird? Just a fluffy. Just a little fluffy. Yeah. You're so cuddly, aren't you? Oh, yes. Oh.
You okay?
Yeah, Aqua didn't bite me at all. It's just like, so they only have feet, they don't have a hand. So their beak is their hand. So it's just like, Aqua just wanted to like reach out and touch me, basically just like hold hands for a minute. But so they can, with their beak, they can just gently like grasp something really lightly, or they can really bite down and like draw blood. But that was just a super gentle, like, hey, I just love you. I just wanna hold hands for a minute. But it scares me because, like, I never know if the bird is just gonna be like, oh, hey, let's just hold hands because I love you, or if they're like, ka-cha, bite. But you've never really bit me like that. But one time at the pet store, you did pinch me pretty hard, so that scared me. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Bye-bye.